class. Well, you think I'm going to yoga? Now, I want to show you how to convert this plain yoga block into this texture yoga block. See, from this to this. Okay, in this topic 7, texture mapping. So again, before we begin, you have to watch a short animation and I have to go for a short run. I'll see you later. Bye!
far, we have discussed rendering techniques for displaying smooth object surfaces. However, most objects do not have smooth or even surfaces. So we need surface texture to model accurately such objects such as brick walls, gravel roads, shake carpets, wood, and human skin. In addition, some surfaces contain patterns that must be taken into account in the rendering procedures. The surface of a vase could contain a painted design. A water glass might have the family crest engraved into the surface. A tennis court contains markings for the alleys, service areas, and baseline. And a 4-lane highway has dividing lines and other markers, such as oil spills and tire skids. So in this topic 7, we will first discover the definition of texture mapping, followed by how to make some variations of the textures so that the materials looks more realistic in realistic mapping. And then we will watch some videos about texture mapping, of course. Last but not least, we will look at some steps that require to implement texture mapping in OpenGL ES. So do stay tuned to my lecture, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!